In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if your Squarespace site is down. With the increasing importance of maintaining an online presence, ensuring that your website is up and running smoothly is crucial. Fortunately, Squarespace provides a straightforward way to keep tabs on its services to help you determine if any issues you're experiencing are on their end or yours. To start with, we'll focus on using Squarespace's System Status page. This is your go-to resource for real-time information on the platform's health. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to status.squarespace.com. This page serves as a transparent communication channel between Squarespace and its users, ensuring you're always aware of any disruptions. Once you've reached the System Status page, there's a simple yet effective color-coded system in place that tells you the status of Squarespace's services at a glance. If you see green indicators across the board, that's a good sign. It means all Squarespace systems are operational and running smoothly. So, if you're experiencing issues despite this green light, the problem might lie elsewhere, perhaps with your internet connection or a specific configuration on your site. However, if you notice orange or red indicators, that's an indication that there might be some issues affecting specific Squarespace services. Orange often signifies a partial disruption, which means some features or functionalities may not be working as expected. Red indicates a more serious, widespread problem. In these cases, it's likely that the issues you're encountering stem from Squarespace, and it might be best to wait until things are resolved on their end before taking further action. Understanding how to interpret these indicators is key. Checking back periodically can keep you updated about any changes or resolutions in the status of the services. It's also worth mentioning that, next to the indicators, Squarespace often provides brief updates or notes about the nature of ongoing issues. If available, these can offer you some context about what's happening and any estimated timeframes for resolution. Using the Squarespace System Status page is a simple process that doesn't require advanced technical skills, but it's an effective tool to have in your website management toolkit. In times of uncertainty, knowing how to quickly access this information can save you a lot of time and reduce frustration, allowing you to communicate accurately with your audience or customers about potential downtime. I hope this video has empowered you with the knowledge to efficiently check the status of your Squarespace site and distinguish between platform-wide issues and those isolated to your setup. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.